In a world driven by technology, one name stands above the rest. Welcome to Softech Business Services, where imagination becomes reality through cutting-edge web design. Our web development team forges digital masterpieces with unbreakable security and unparalleled performance. Your ideas, transformed into powerful mobile apps, connecting you to the world like never before. And with our business solutions, we provide the strategic edge to dominate your industry. Softech Business Services, empowering your digital future.